The system shows sow 2C is due within the hour. Let's monitor closely.
Litter 42, 10 viable piglets. Scanning complete.
Scan complete on litter 4B.
Confirmed. Checking weights now.
Litter FB001 confirmed. Status updated to ready. Bring the cart closer. We are ready for the first group. Positioning the unit now. Temperature is stable.
Everything looks nominal down here.
Confirmed. The schedule is running smoothly.
Group B12 is looking healthy. Temperature at 25.5 Celsius. Agreed. I'll log the observation now.
Okay, Group 7B is cleared. Weights look good. Moving them through now.
Keep them moving toward gate 4.
The system just logged batch 7B. All accounted for. The status screen shows optimal flow in Sector 4. Good. The adjustments seem to have stabilized the distribution rate perfectly. Keep moving now, easy does it. Next group coming through. Okay, opening the gate for Group 3 now.
Clear passage. Keep them moving steadily to the trailer.
Steady now, keep them moving.
Clear on the ramp. Next group ready. We have confirmation on the manifest. Send the next group through Gate 3.
Temperature holding steady at 6 to 5.
Optimal flow on this line.
Clear the conveyor on the left. Coming through.
That's overweight. Adjust the cut. Okay, normalize now.
Hay que revisar los sellos del próximo lote.
Este está un poco flojo, lo retiro.
Pallet 7B is clear for wrapping.
Applying final labels now. Status updated.
Pallet confirmed.
Temperature is good. Seal it up.
All right, the pork shipment is here. Let's get it logged. Temperature is good. Everything scanned correctly.
These loins go to the cutting area.
Move the shoulders to refrigeration hold C.